Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M20, and I'll show you how to do a hard reset of the device to remove the lock screen. So, as you probably have noticed, if you try to turn off the device, it will tell you to draw a pattern to turn off the phone, which we'll need to bypass that as well. And to do it, we'll hold volume up, down, and power key till the screen turns off, and then we'll let go of the volume down and keep holding volume up and the power key. And it might take you a couple tries to actually get it. We'll see if I can do it by the first try right now. But basically, once the screen turns off, I'll count to like about 1 or 2 or 3 seconds before I let go of this key, because there's a moment where the screen turns off but the phone is still on, so we need to basically get it right when the phone turns off, but you won't be able to see it because the screen will be off. And at that time, basically, we start holding the volume up and power key in this sense. So let's do it. One, two, three. And I think it should be okay, but I'm not really certain. Yep, it's okay. Basically, if you get it before the vibration is a sign that the phone has turned on. And once it's already on and you're still holding the 3 keys, it's already too late, so you will have to start over. But if you let go of the volume down before it vibrates, it should go into Android recovery as it is right now. So from here, we will go down to wipe data/factory reset using the volume up and down to navigate, and confirm it with the power key. So like so. And once more, select yes and confirm with power key. And now the phone is removing all the data, and now tap on reboot system now, and we'll continue removing all the personal data in the background while it's turning on. So this will actually take a little bit longer than normally it takes for the phone to turn on. So just be patient, and once it's finished, the phone will go into its Android setup screen, and then you can customize it. So I'll be back once that is visible. Okay, and as you can see, now we're on the Android setup screen, and we can set up devices we like. So we can continue. Now, if your account is or device is locked for some reason with the Google lock, you can check out other video that I have made how to basically bypass that on this device, and basically a step-by-step guide on how to do it with all the links on the website, and you can follow it, and you will then remove the Google lock screen, or the security one that you have to put in when you're setting up the device. So and as you can see, we didn't have to put in anything, no lock screen anymore, and the device is fully unlocked now, so you can turn it on and off, and everything is working fine. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.